Hello and welcome to Doc AT. In today's video, we're diving into the interesting topic of collagen. What it is, its types, disorders associated with types, and dietary sources and supplements of collagen. Let's break it down together. Collagen is a family of fibrous proteins that serve as the main building blocks of connective tissues in animals, providing strength, elasticity, and structure to skin, bones, cartilage, tendons, ligaments, and other tissues. It is crucial for maintaining the structural and functional integrity of various tissues and organs. Key features of collagen. Abundance. Collagen accounts for about 30% of the body's protein mass and is the most abundant protein in mammals. Tensile strength. Its unique structure makes collagen exceptionally strong, comparable to steel on a weight-for-weight basis. Collagen fibers exhibit remarkable tensile strength and resistance to mechanical forces, allowing tissues to withstand stress. Synthesis. Collagen is synthesized by fibroblasts and other specialized cells. The process includes intracellular modifications, e.g., hydroxylation and glycosylation, and extracellular assembly into fibrils and fibers. Dynamic nature. Collagen is continually synthesized and degraded, enabling tissue remodeling and repair. Collagen structure. 1. Molecular structure. Each collagen molecule consists of 3 alpha chains forming a triple helix. Glycine, smallest amino acid, is essential for the tight packing of the helix. 2. Hierarchical organization. Collagen exhibits a hierarchical organization, progressing through several structural levels. Collagen molecules, the fundamental triple helical units. Microfibrils, bundles of collagen molecules aligned and staggered to enhance strength. Fibrils, larger structures formed by the assembly of microfibrils, visible under an electron microscope. Fibers, the macroscopic structures composed of multiple fibrils, providing tensile strength and structural support to tissues such as tendons, ligaments, and skin. 3. Cross-linking. Covalent cross-links between collagen fibrils increase stability, but can also reduce elasticity, particularly with aging. Types of collagen. Collagen is classified into 28 types based on their genetic makeup and tissue distribution. These types are categorized into fibrillar, non-fibrillar, and other specialized forms. Below are the primary types in detail. Fibrillar collagens includes Type 1, Type 2, Type 3, Type 5, Type 11. Non-fibrillar collagen includes network-forming collagens, Type 4, Type 8, Type 10, fibril-associated collagens with interrupted triple helices, facet. Type 9, Type 12, Type 14, Type 16, Type 19, Type 21, anchoring collagens. Type 7, beaded filament collagens. Type 6, transmembrane collagens. Type 13, Type 17, multiplexin collagens. Type 15, Type 18, other collagens. Type 20, Type 22, Type 23, Type 24, Type 25, Type 26, Type 27, Type 28, Type 29. Type 1 collagen. Abundance. Comprises about 90% of the body's collagen. Location. Found in skin, bones, tendons, ligaments, dentin, teeth, and the sclera, the white part of the eye. Structure. Forms thick, densely packed fibers that provide resistance to tensile forces. Function. Provides strength and structural integrity to load-bearing tissues. Supports bone formation and remodeling. Maintains skin elasticity and helps reduce wrinkles. Clinical relevance. Deficiency or mutations in type 1 collagen genes, COL1A1, COL1A2, can lead to osteogenesis imperfecta, brittle bone disease. Frequently used in reconstructive surgeries, wound dressings, and cosmetic fillers. Type 2 collagen. Location, primarily in cartilage, hyaline and elastic, intervertebral discs, and the vitreous humor of the eye. Structure, forms a loose, mesh-like network suited for compressive and tensile forces in cartilage. Function, provides resilience and flexibility to articular cartilage. Ensures smooth joint movement by reducing friction. Contributes to eye shape and function in the vitreous humor. Clinical relevance. Degradation of type 2 collagen is a hallmark of osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. Supplements containing hydrolyzed or undenatured type 2 collagen are used to alleviate joint pain and inflammation. Type 3 collagen. Location. Found in tissues requiring flexibility and strength, such as skin, blood vessels, intestinal walls, and the uterus. Structure. Often found alongside type 1 collagen in reticular fibers. Function. Supports the structure of hollow organs and blood vessels. Contributes to tissue elasticity and integrity during growth and repair. Clinical relevance. Mutations in type 3 collagen genes, COL3A1, can cause vascular Ehlers-Danlos syndrome, leading to fragile blood vessels and internal organ rupture. Plays a crucial role in early wound healing before transitioning to type 1 collagen. Type 4 collagen. Location. Exclusively found in basement membranes, which are thin sheets of extracellular matrix separating epithelial and endothelial cells from connective tissue. Structure. Forms a flexible, sheet-like network instead of fibrils. Function. Provides mechanical support to tissues. Facilitates filtration in organs like kidneys, glomerular basement membrane. Serves as a scaffold for cell attachment and migration during tissue repair. Clinical relevance. Mutations in type 4 collagen genes are associated with Alport syndrome, a genetic condition affecting kidney function, hearing, and vision. Overexpression or disruption of type 4 collagen can play a role in cancer progression. Type 5 collagen. Location. Found in small amounts in skin, cornea, hair, and placenta. Often co-localized with type 1 collagen. Structure. Regulates the diameter and organization of collagen fibrils. Function. Essential for tissue integrity and proper fibril assembly. Contributes to the transparency of the cornea. Clinical relevance. Mutations in type 5 collagen are linked to classic Ehlers-Danlos syndrome, characterized by hyperelastic skin, joint hypermobility, and poor wound healing. Lesser-known collagen types. Type 6, found in cartilage and associated with microfibril formation, implicated in muscular dystrophies. Type 7, anchors fibrils in the dermal-epidermal junction, preventing skin detachment. Type 8, plays a role in endothelial cell function and angiogenesis. Type 10, involved in the mineralization of cartilage during bone growth, endochondral ossification. Functions of collagen. 1. Structural support. Provides strength and elasticity to tissues. 2. Cellular functions. Influences cell adhesion, migration, and differentiation. 3. Wound healing. Facilitates repair by forming a scaffold for new tissue. 4. Aging. As collagen production decreases with age, skin sags, wrinkles form, and joints stiffen. 5. Elasticity. Allows tissues to stretch and return to their original shape, e.g. blood vessels. Collagen in health and disease. Collagen disorders. Genetic defects, overproduction, or degradation of collagen lead to conditions like fibrosis, arthritis, and connective tissue syndromes. Aging and collagen. Declining collagen levels contribute to sagging skin, reduced joint mobility, and weakened bones. Autoimmune diseases. Conditions like lupus and scleroderma involve abnormal immune responses targeting collagen-rich tissues. Dietary sources and supplements. 1. Natural sources. Animal connective tissues. Bone broth, chicken skin, fish skin, and pork skin. Gelatin. A denatured form of collagen used in desserts and supplements. 2. Supplements. Hydrolyzed collagen. Easily absorbed peptides for skin and joint health. Undenatured collagen. Helps with joint pain and immune system modulation. Marine collagen. Derived from fish. Popular for improving skin elasticity. And that's a wrap on collagen. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more medical insights. Drop any questions or comments below. We'd love to hear from you. See you in the next video.